everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'll show you how to make an extremely easy soup. This will be a pea and watercress soup. It has a peppery taste from the rocket as well. Very easy, very refreshing, so let's get started. For the pea soup we will need 500 grams of frozen garden peas, or if you have fresh ones it's even better. A handful or 50 grams of watercress and a handful or 50 grams of rocket. Two medium onions. I have here shallots because I like the taste of them. About 15 to 20 ml of olive oil and 500 ml of vegetable stock. This is a vegan version of the soup. If you'd like to make it, you can add butter or you can add cream as well at the end. So let's get started. First thing, I'm going to chop the onion. And I will fry the onion on the medium heat just to sweat it a bit in the olive oil and in the pan, and gradually I'm going to add the peas and the herbs, and I'll add after that the stock, and I'll let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. So after it's simmered for about 20 minutes, we'll take a hand blender and we'll just blitz it for about 3 to 4 minutes. So after it's blitzed, I'm just going to season it with salt and pepper, and our soup is ready to go. But this was my recipe of super delicious and quick pea and watercress soup. This has a very peppery taste from the rocket as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday a new interesting, healthy and quick recipe. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.